Hello friends, in this video we discuss on nonlinear equations in P and Q. The first type of this nonlinear partial differential equations in P and Q is of the type first f of P comma Q equal to 0. This is the first type of this nonlinear partial differential equations, and method of solution is let the required solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. Then del z by del x equal to a, del z by del y equal to b, that is p equal to a and q equal to b, and therefore we have f of a comma b equal to 0. Now from this relation find the value of b, find the value of b and substitute in z equal to ax plus by plus c. This is the method. We have assumed that the required solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. Then we get p equal to a, q equal to b. We have substituted these values of p and q in the given relation, and from that relation determine b in terms of a and put that value in the required solution. That will be the solution of given equation. So let us see the example. Solve example p square plus q square equal to 1. So we assume let the solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. From this del z by del x equal to p equal to, we get a, del z by del y, which is nothing but q, we get b. Substituting this in 1, let us call this as equation number 1. Put these values in 1. So we get a square plus b square equal to 1, b square equal to 1 minus a square, or b equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus a square, and hence the solution of this equation is z equal to ax plus minus under root of 1 minus a square y plus c. This is the solution of this differential equation. Very simple. Now let us consider one more example. Suppose the solution is problem is x square p square plus y square q square equal to z square. So it is not of the type f of p comma q equal to 0, means it is not contain only p and q terms, but we can modify this equation by a small mathematical manipulation. We write it as x square divided by z square. P square means del z by del x whole square plus y square divided by z square into del y by del z by del y whole square equal to 1. Again x square x divided by z into del z by del x whole square plus y divided by del z or del z by del I whole square equal to 1. Or we can write it as del z by z divided by del x by x whole square plus del z by z divided by del y by y whole square equal to 1. Now let us put del z by z equal to capital Z, del x by x equal to capital here del z by del x equal to capital del z, capital del x, del capital X, and del y by y equal to del capital Y. Then here integration gives log of z equal to capital Z, log of x equal to capital X, and log of y equal to capital Y. So let us put this value del z by z equal to del capital Z we have substituted. This is del capital X we have substituted. We get x square whole square plus del capital Z divided by del capital Y whole square equal to 1. Or p square plus q square equal to 1, where capital P here p equal to del capital Z by del x capital and q equal to del capital Z by del capital Y. Now you can see that here suppose, so let capital del Z, capital Z is equal to a into capital X plus b into capital Y plus c is solution. If it is a solution, then we get capital P equal to del capital Z by del capital X equal to A, del capital Z divided by del capital Y equal to Q equal to capital Q equal to we get B. Then from relation we have a square plus b square equal to 1. This implies b square equal to 1 minus a square and b equal to under root 1 minus a square. We consider only positive value, may take negative value also. Then substitution gives us capital Z equal to a into capital X plus b into capital Y plus c. Okay, what is capital Z? Capital Z is nothing but log of Z, a into capital X log of X plus b into log of Y plus c. So this is the solution of the original equation. So friend, this method is a very simple method, and I hope you have get the idea of this. Thank you for watching the video.